Today I was rocking a turban because it is time for wash day, and I was just trying to stretch it out one more day because I was busy. Voila, you guys see this mess? It is dusty, crusty. My kitchen, ooh, yeah, you guys get to see it up close and personal. I'm just gonna unravel these braids and we can get started. Oh, here's Bella, by the way, my dog. I just washed her, so that's why she looks a little rough, but yeah, that's enough. I'll put her away. But yeah, let's get back to these braids. I'm just going to unravel them and then wash it, and then I'll be back so we can do the protein treatment. While you guys are watching this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You clicked this video, so don't forget to like it. And if you're old, thanks for coming back. If you're new, please continue to watch. Okay, we're back, and obviously we're going to start off with freshly cleansed hair. I already did 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I shampooed and conditioned with the Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner from the Honey Treasures lines. When I tell you it smells like honey and it has my hair smelling so good, it's ridiculous. You guys have to try it. I'm gonna have it linked down in the description box below, so you guys go check it out. I'm just gonna unravel this back section. My hair dries up so fast when I'm out the shower, like it makes no sense. Okay, first we're going in with the PALMER'S Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. This will be the only product I'll be showcasing for you guys today. I've heard so many great things about it, and I will tell you more things about it throughout the video. My hair is already damp enough I wouldn't have to re-wet it. I'm just going to cut this sucker open, and I'm just going to add a big old chunk to this section of my hair, then start applying. The texture of it is nice and thick, just like how I like it. And basically, I like to start at the ends of my hair because the ends of your hair is the oldest, and then work my way up to the roots. If you guys didn't know, protein treatments are used to add strength and resiliency to damaged hair by attaching hydrolyzed proteins directly to the hair follicle, hardening the cuticle layer. Most protein treatments are conditioning treatments. They can come in deep conditioners, light, or as a reconstructor. For those of you who don't know, I am a low porosity gal, and I also have type 4A, type 4B hair, if anybody wanted to know. And I also will be using heat after I apply this protein treatment. This product is raking through my hair so smoothly, like it's just really shocking me. Like, I don't understand how I get this much slip off a protein treatment, but just know that I will continue using this as my protein treatment because I'm in love. If you guys have any other protein treatments or deep condition treatments that you guys would like me to try, please comment that down below. If you guys have used this product, please comment down below and let me know what was your experience and what type of hair do you have. No, it wouldn't be me if I didn't have my trash bags. You gotta reuse and recycle. That's the purpose. Why go out and spend money on caps, deep conditioning caps, for nothing when I have these for free? I like to double, sometimes triple the bags just to keep in that heat, and then I will put the towel back on just to make sure I retain as much moisture as I can. I will try to keep this in for 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll get back with the results. And this is my hair right from rinsing it out. It looks so moisturized, y'all. Like, my hair feel like pillow soft. I see so much elasticity and bounce and shake and volume. That is exactly what I look for in a protein treatment. I can say that I found a new protein treatment staple. This is gonna be my main shit, I'm telling you. I definitely recommend this protein treatment for you guys. And that is it for this video. It's your girl Faye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mostly subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you could be notified, because I have so many more natural hair videos coming you guys' way. Thank you.